I want to show you how to draw the diagrams like in a cool way. Yeah, of course you can make it like the usual way with all these shapes and arrows. But one more way how to do it is to use the more tools, mermaid, and here you can use like prepared one. You can insert it, and yeah, it's one thing, and you can edit it here like that and like that. Or the better way is to prepare it here. You will see the result immediately. Like here's the new name, and it's here. Yeah. How to make it like better? We can step into mermaid. That's the diagram tool, mermaid documentation, by clicking to flowchart, and here we can find bunch of prepared how to say that samples. Yeah, let's call them samples. For example, there is a user journey. I can copy that and paste it here, and I can see it here. But unfortunately for now, for March 2024, yeah, sorry, I can edit only the flowchart sample and the sequence diagram. But this one is a user sample. It means that I can still can edit it here, like not a title like weekend day, and it's. But if I press insert, it's here, and I unfortunately can't edit it the same way. Like if I double click on it, it's just a picture. But in the flowchart, I can edit it inside the when it's on the board. Yeah. Uh, in this case, if you want to change like go to work, you have to remove this diagram, more tools, mermaid, and edit it here, like go to vacation, and insert it, and we can see that there's vacation. Try one or two of these examples. Looks pretty useful, more professional, I guess. There's mind maps, there's timelines, etc., etc. Try it.